There are plenty of saving accounts, tax benefits, and federal and provincial programs available to Canadians. Here's a roundup of 4 opportunities that you may be missing out on. Canadian Dental Care Plan. The Canadian Dental Care Plan, CDCP, was first introduced for children, seniors, and adults eligible for the disability tax credit with a phased rollout. But in June 2025, it was expanded to all Canadian residents, subject to conditions. The CDCP is now available to anyone who does not have access to dental insurance. A taxpayer and their spouse or common law partner, if applicable, must have filed tax returns for the previous year to determine family income. If their adjusted family net income is less than $90,000, the federal government may partially cover a wide range of dental services. These services include everything from diagnostic and preventive services to orthodontic services. Canadian Dental Care Plan enrollment is not automatic. You need to apply online using your My Service Canada account, MSCA. You can access the CDCP section in your MSCA dashboard or call Service Canada at 1-833-537-4342. Read more about how the CDCP works. Home Accessibility Expense Tax Credit. If you perform qualifying renovations on an eligible home, you may be able to claim a federal non-refundable tax credit up to $20,000 for home accessibility expenses. This can yield a tax refund of up to $3,000 per year. A qualifying individual is someone who is 65 or older at the end of the tax year, or who is eligible for the Disability Tax Credit, DTC, at any time during the tax year. You may also be able to claim the credit if you are an eligible individual making a claim for one of the above qualifying individuals. In other words, if you are related to someone 65 or older or who qualifies for the Disability Tax Credit, you may be able to claim the home accessibility expenses. The Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, identifies 2 primary conditions. Qualifying renovation is a renovation or alteration that is of an enduring nature and is integral to the eligible dwelling, including the land that forms part of the eligible dwelling. The renovation must meet either of the following conditions. Allow the qualifying individual to gain access to or be mobile or functional within the dwelling, reduce the risk of harm to the qualifying individual within the dwelling or in gaining access to the dwelling.